Hi guys, welcome to another market news and updates. And today is Friday. We have to find out what exactly BTC and Ethereum are gonna be doing on the weekend and what should we expect from this market. So without any waste, let's start our today's video. So the first news for today is academic research claims Ethereum is a superior store of value to Bitcoin. The report highlights the merits of EIP 1559 as a tool for making Ethereum a deflationary currency and potentially better store of value than Bitcoin. So according to this article, they believe that Ethereum slowly with time can also become a better store of value than Bitcoin. And what is the reason behind it? Annualizing the rate of Ethereum creation since EIP 115, the expected increase in the total Ethereum supply is only 0.98%, being less than half the 1.99 increase in the Bitcoin supply, which is almost certain in the same period. So as we can see, adoption has been increasing for Ethereum, and also Ethereum's use cases have been increasing at the same time. We notice that Ethereum is following the same bull rally as Bitcoin from 2017 charts. This shows us that Ethereum can absolutely become a better store of value with time, but these are all speculations and only time can tell us. The next big news we have from is India. India has been considering to ban cryptocurrencies as their Prime Minister Modi has discussed with his parliament, and we are waiting for the bill to be released. So India crypto to regulate, not ban crypto. Cabinet documents. India crypto investors will reportedly be given a certain time frame to declare their crypto holdings and must then hold their assets on crypto exchanges regulated by SEBI. That means most of the Indians will only be allowed to trade on WazirX and Indian based exchanges, which is good for the country in the long term. But if you look at the decentralized system that we work on blockchains, is not going to be implemented. But anyhow, something is better than nothing. At least the country is not banning Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. The last news for today is from one of my favorite men, who's the biggest whale I know of, is Michael Saylor from MicroStrategies. Michael Saylor calls Bitcoin the world's reserve asset, but not so good for buying a cup of coffee. The billionaire founder of business intelligence company MicroStrategies said in CoinDesk TV interview that Bitcoin is best inflation hedge. As we know, Bitcoin has been one of the best inflation hedges in the world. As we know, whenever recession is coming closer to the world, we always see Bitcoin making a strong upside rally. But right now, it's a very critical stage in the history of Bitcoin. We really need to know, as we can see, massive recession, tax rates, and there's so many other economic issues right now in the world. Whether BTC will be able to resolve them all or not, only time will tell. So let's say and hope that BTC will do what it's meant to do. That's all for our news. Let's see what's happening in our charts and technicals. Greed and fear index देखते हैं, so we can better decide कि लोग डरे हुए हैं or are they greedy for today. So if we can see, it's at 31. Wow, yesterday we were at 32, so fear is increasing in the market. A lot of people were expecting a massive upside, but that never happened this week either, and we could clearly see that in my charts that it's not coming. And let's see what's happening in coin market cap, so we know who were the winners in 24 hours. Bitcoin dominance today is 40%, 40.9. It has come down even lower, which is not good for the market at all. Ethereum's dominance is trading about 21 right now, which is back to 2018 levels that we even showed and discussed yesterday in our video. If we look at overall, the market cap is also has increased a bit. It's at 2.64 trillion, but there's also been a decrease right now. It's back to 2.5 in my charts. So coin market cap still has to update all this. In 24 hours, the massive gainer is Cosmos, Oasis Network, Polygon Matic, Raven, Terra Luna. Terra Luna is not coming slow. It's been ramping up, a massive rampage from 50 to now 67. Stellar, QNT, OKB, Harmony One, IOTEX, Cardano's back up finally. A lot of people should be having a relief, and now they can hold and be happy about their Cardano. As for Solana is also doing better. Let's see which are the coins that are losing in the last 24 hours. So we have waves, we have Gala, we have AVAX. AVAX has been coming down sharply, but it has to consolidate in these zones. It's been upside rallying this whole bull run and haven't done a major correction. It's needed now. KDA, EGLD, Immutable X, Curve DAO, these coins were here yesterday as well. They're in a strong pullback. Shiba Inu, all these coins are in a strong pullback. They're layer 1s, layer 2s, and some of gaming tokens as well. So let's see what is happening in our charts. We're gonna start our charts. I say let's start from the bottom. So let's start with Mana. It's very important to discuss Mana now every day, because obviously we play Decentraland and we're part of that crew of MetaWear. So We had an amazing event yesterday. I hope you guys liked the video. I just shared that too in the video, so you can check it out. It's about 2 hours video. We were doing so many fun stuff, and if you don't know what to do in Decentraland, you can really learn from there. And don't forget to follow MetaWearables on Twitter as well, and join our Discord. You can see me there. I'm always available in the Discord at MetaWearables. If we look at Mana now, let's come back to the topic. So Mana right now is breaking its trend. As we can see in 4 hour, it's closing down on downtrend. I'm expecting Mana to be back somewhere in the region of 2 to 3. I don't think it's gonna continue doing an upside rally. Similar situation for Sand as well. Sand is now testing trend. It tried to come back for a while in the trend but got rejected strongly. Similar situation is going on for Stacks. Stacks has been outperforming really well, made new all-time high of 3.24, and now it's consolidating in new highs, making a higher low, and to carry on its upside rally. That's how usually charts do about and go about. Earn, one of my favorite tokens as well, because the Eternity token and the chain is amazing stuff. So much collaboration with footballers and big celebrities in the world. It's also sideways in these regions, nothing much happening there as well. Let's scroll through and see which are the coins we can see a massive upside coming into. I'm hearing a lot about EOS from my fellow YouTubers as well, but I'm not really sure about the technicals of this coin. I like it, but not so much that I would invest money in it yet. If you look at for CRV in Rune, we've seen from yesterday also they are in a strong pullback right now. If we look at CRV closely, CRV is now getting rejected and making a lower low. It's not making higher lows anymore, looking bearish in 4 hour structure. Similar situation for Rune as well. It's looking very bearish in 4 hour structure and it's making lower lows. Matic has also been another coin that's been doing very good. You have to understand, every time we're going to expect an upside rally on Ethereum, Matic has to perform, because Polygon brings scalability into the Ethereum blockchain. Without Polygon, we can't have Ethereum where it is today, and we have witnessed that in 2017 and back in the days as well, when Ethereum couldn't scale up, until we had Polygon come into the markets and join hands with Ethereum. As for our friend Luna, Luna is in a strong rocket uptrend. It's not even on a diagonal uptrend, it's like straight line up, probably a horizontal 85 degrees. That's about it. Overall, it looks amazing. We have new all-time high here now at $69.70. Luna is now coming slow, it keeps pumping. Overall, market is okay. It's, for me, it's sideways. I consider markets like this sideways. We had double top here on Atom, and now Atom is trying to come back into the trend line. Hopefully it does. Let's look at Solana as well. Solana is also acting similar to Luna. It has a 80-degree upside rally going on. I expect some time correction to be coming in Solana. I don't have any high expectations of Solana, because last time when it did pump, we expected the whole blockchain system to crash, and that wasn't a good sign for any blockchain to do that. AXS is also looking pretty good. I have a target of AXS about 160, 170 in my mind. Let's get into the most important coin of all of them, Ethereum. If you look at Ethereum's chart, I'm still expecting this type of historical data to repeat itself. We only had 1, 2, mainly you can say 2 to 3 retests here, but it's all right. Overall, if I look at Ethereum looks a lot better. We are also in a strong side now. We're making a nice bull flag right now. If you look at it, that's our pole. That is our peanut flag. And if we take this target of our pole and try to put it next to our flag, so we would know exactly where we can expect an upside rally to. So yep, 5,200. I keep saying Ethereum looks very good to be going to 5,200 anytime soon. Let's look at BTC as well. BTC has been completely sideways. We have retested here as well from our historical data, but it's completely sideways. I expect more time for it to come and bounce back from this trend. I'm expecting BTC to remain sideways this weekend as well, because BTC's dominance is very low at the moment. If we look at others dominance is giving us a nice support here and staying above 16.22. If we look at Ethereum's dominance has been now trying to make support, and now it's trying to have another upside rally. We know we're back into 2018 levels, which is interesting to see, and how BTC is gonna also react according to that. If we look at BTC's dominance has been going down in a very strong downtrend. We're making another bearish flag. Most likely with this bearish flag, we're gonna go down lower, and this might help altcoins, but then let's wait and see. Hopefully the money will come into altcoins and BTC will remain sideways until the end of the year. People are going to be making money money from the altcoins. That's what is expected right now, looking at the market's chart and price action. But nobody can predict the top or bottom and what's exactly going to be happening. We just try our luck, and if it does, that's the best for us. If you look at total cap, we've been rejected from 3 trillion from here, and ever since then we haven't even come close to it. We've been sideways in these regions of 2.3 to 2.66. This is a very important resistance for us to break in order for the market to rally upside and to give us guaranteed returns. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like today's video. If you do, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share your thoughts in the comment section. If there's something you want to reach out to me on Twitter and Instagram. And tomorrow we're going to be having an amazing NFT show, our special Saturday NFT show. I hope you guys tune in to tomorrow. I'll be live later tonight on stream. Do join me on stream if you want to know more about Decentraland. Hope to see you guys there. Take care. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.